Looking to securely log out of Cash App on all devices? While there isn't a direct feature for this, here's a nifty workaround to help you remove your Cash App account from the device you use. So what you need to do is reset your PIN. So by initiating a PIN reset, Cash App will automatically log you out from all the device you've used. So ready to take the steps? Here's how you can do it. So first things first, launch the Cash App and locate your profile icon on the home screen. So once you're in the menu, just tap into Privacy and Security option. Now within this section, go tap on the Change Cash PIN and then just go ahead and enter your new PIN and then confirm it to complete the process. And that's it. This not only provides a secure logout but also ensures that your Cash App account is protected across all your devices. So go ahead, follow these steps, and keep your financial world in check with this savvy tip. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.